I think it's actually led to a new phase now. I mean, the significant violent clashes that happened around central Beirut were unprecedented, really, and it shows a new change in really the tactics of the protesters. The influx of different elements. The protest movement has always been an amalgamation of different groups with different strategies and different aims. But I think the very much more the more violent, more militant element kind of took over at the weekend. Additionally, I think there was a general frustration amongst just the general population of Beirut in Lebanon in general, of the fact that the government has been failing to really address this movement, address the demands of the protesters, which have wide support across the country. So their feeling is that these tactics were essentially the only avenue left for them. But it certainly definitely escalated up the situation, and it really I think will focus hopefully the minds of the politicians, and what will happen next. I think Beirut in Lebanon, to be honest, is really on a knife edge at the moment.